Welcome to this video celebrating the serene and evocative art of Alfred Sisley, a master impressionist known for his extraordinary ability to capture the fleeting beauty of nature. Born in Paris to British parents in 1839, Sisley devoted his life to painting landscapes that reflect the harmony and tranquility of the natural world. His work, often overshadowed by contemporaries like Monet and Renoir, shines with a delicate balance of light, color, and emotion, making him a true poet of the canvas.
Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to transform your space with unique and stylish wall art, be sure to check out our sponsor, the Luxury Art Collection. The Luxury Art Collection offers an amazing selection of wall art pieces that will add a touch of elegance and personality to any room in your home. Whether you love soothing landscapes, vibrant abstract works, or inspiring photographs, you're sure to find something that suits your style. To explore all their stunning creations, click on the link in the description and get inspired. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know which wall art piece you love the most. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon in the next video.